Hey, what up everybody? This Will, and this is my 2017 Honda CBR600RR. Oh yeah, going for a quick ride. Oh man. Little history of the bike. Whoa, what's going on over there? I got this bike back in 2020, March of 2020, just right before the pandemic, the major pandemic hit, COVID-19. And I'm glad I got it right before it hit, because I would not have been riding right now. I bought it at a dealership, well, used dealership, with 1,300 miles. It currently has 7,000 miles on it. Yep. So it had some baby miles on it. It was pretty much a brand new bike. Yeah. And over the past 2 years of riding, I've done quite a bit of mods to it. Oof, the list will go on. This year I coughed up the money for a quick shifter and the ECU flash. ECU flash is by TOS, and no, I don't have a TOS exhaust. I just only got the flash by them. I just recently bought a new battery because I originally wired up my quick shifter to the battery. So whenever you wire something up to the battery like that, especially a quick shifter with its own computer unit, when you wire it up to the battery, it stays on. So I just, you know, I had to find another spot to rewire it at. Saying what's up to all the bikers. So yeah, I had to rewire my positive wire to the quick shifter to my license plate light. And then yeah, it kept my battery on. I had to invest in a new battery as well. I think it's one of those AGM batteries. It was only $100 at O'Reilly. What else? Aftermarket levers right here. They're not the best. They are some Amazon, eBay, no name brands that I got off of at a bike shop. They didn't have any levers in stock for me, so they ordered some for me. The reason why I had to get new levers, well, the reason why I got levers was because let's see, was because I had originally dropped my bike like maybe 2 times, and the second time that I dropped my bike, I dropped it on this side, and my brake lever, my front brake lever, it snapped and it broke. So I was in desperate need of some new levers, so I just, you know, had the guy order some for me. It was cheap, 20, 40 bucks, I don't know, I forget. But that's the story of my levers. What else? In some videos you'll see my bike have bar end mirrors, but I don't have them anymore. I feel like I was just always looking down too much, and the mirrors were small, so yeah, I just got rid of them. I mean, they looked pretty nice and sleek, but yeah, I for safety I put the stock ones back on. Let's see what else. I did have a USB like phone charger installed here, like it was right here, but when installing my quick shifter, I took it off because I couldn't have that and the quick shifter onto the battery until, you know, I learned how to rewire it. So I might buy another charger thing right here. What else? So that was that. This phone mount, of course. I believe I have the description in my description section of the page. What else? Obviously this double bubble windscreen from MRA. They are a company out in Germany, and they do a lot of windscreens for different bikes. So I coughed up the money for that, and I think it looks really nice and sleek. It did come with a plastic rubber piece right here, but I took it off. It kept coming off, so I just took it off. What else? If you guys like the sound of my exhaust, it's by HOTBODIES Racing. It's the HOTBODIES Racing Stinger exhaust. It's a slip-on. I don't think they make full-on headers. I would love to change it out to a CS Racing exhaust, and it comes with headers, but that's like 800 bucks. Or some headers and like a little test pipe to cut the cat off. That's my exhaust. I did have the TST Fender Eliminator kit on here, but I took that off. I just like the way the stock Fender looks in the back with the license plate. It's easier for inspection and stuff like that. What else? Oh, also There's a bunch of stuff from TST Industries. I had the flush mount TST Industry turn signals in the front, but I took those off, and I have these ones the ones that stick out. Where is it? There, I'll show you guys later what that looks like. But yeah, they're LED. They you know, they're visually, you know, good for other people to see that you're using turn signals. I also have the TST Industries integrated brake light with turn signals. It kind of gotten melted slightly because the HOTBODIES exhaust, it doesn't stick out that far, so it kind of melted the bottom end of the tail light. So yeah, but I still have it on. It's on there. It still works. Also, from TST Industries as well, I got the frame sliders, because, you know, your boy dropped the bike a couple of times in the beginning. And yeah, I think oh yeah, also my bike is lowered. That I got off of Revzilla, the company Vortex. I have the Vortex lower links on here, so that's by them. And that's about it for any upgrades. The flash on the bike by Toes, it's really good. The fan kicks in just about around 200, which is really good. It doesn't go over like over 206 at most. Before the bike would get hot to about 220 something, to I would say the 230 range, and that was that was pretty hot. But now it's a lot better now with the flash. It picks up a little faster. It sounds like it breathes a lot better. The engine braking it's still there, but it's very minimum. It's street riding. You want some engine braking. Yeah, but that's all I could say about the ECU flash. It's really good. Maybe a dyno tune in the future. One day. Right now I'm heading to Walmart. I took the long way to this one. I went to a little further one out because I wanted to take a nice ride out and record for y'all. If y'all haven't, please like and subscribe. That would be greatly appreciated. Can I take this turn? I don't know if I can. I might be able to. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I'll take it. Okay. What up? Yeah, that's all I could say about the bike. It's been pretty reliable. There's no modes. You know, it's straight up a bike. You know, like it's pretty reliable. It's a freaking Honda. You know what I'm saying? Like, so you you get what you get, and it's been pretty great to me. It's got the speed. You know, it's got so many like aftermarket parts for it. I think last year I bought the Dunlop Q4s for these. They were a great investment, nice and sticky. I can't go wrong with a Honda CBR600. You know, any 600 bike, they run great. Pretty reliable. Alright, next year I'll invest and upgrade my chain. Oh yeah. No Denny's. Yeah, I can't say too many bad things about this bike. It's been pretty reliable. I would like to take out these damn black stickers off here, and also a high flowing air filter, because that is not upgraded yet. I bet you that'll help the bike breathe a lot better. But yeah, that's definitely gonna be next year. I spent a lot of money on the bike already this year. So yeah, comment down below, what do you guys think? I've had the bike about 2 years now. And it's been great to me. I can't complain. So yeah, comment down below if you like the bike. If you want to see other upgrades to it, let me know. If you want any other reviews, let me know. Yeah, talk to you guys later.